All right, so by now you should know how to turn a decimal or base 10 number into a binary or base 2 number. And you may find yourself asking, well, okay, I can do that, but what if I'm given a binary number and I need to turn that into a decimal number? Well, that's what we're going to go over today. It's actually pretty easy, so I'm going to give you some quick examples, and then we'll be able to hit the road with the rest of our problems. So I want to take a new piece of paper here and get us an example going. So let's take the number or the binary number 1001. So what do we do to convert that to a decimal number? Well, first I like to rewrite the number a little farther apart. Makes it a bit easier for me. Then what we're going to do is that this number, as we remember from converting decimals to binaries, we know that the first number represents the 2 to the 0 power, then the 2 to the 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3. So what we're going to do, we will multiply each of these by the 2 that they represent, then we'll add them together. So here, 2 to the 3 is 8, so 8 plus 0, because 0 multiplied by anything is 0, plus 0, plus 1 times 2 to the 0, which is 1. So we get that, we get 9, right? So 1001 and binary is a 9 in decimal. Okay, so it's not overly complicated. All right, so now what I want you guys to do is take this next one, pause the video, and try it yourself. So the next number is 11011. Okay, I want you to pause the video and give that one a shot yourself. All right, so just like before, I'm going to take that, I'm going to write it a little bit farther apart just so I can do this a little bit easier. So what we're going to do is we know that this is 2 to the 0. This one represents 2 to the 1. This one represents 2 to the 2. This one represents 2 to the 3. And this one represents 2 to the 4. So from now on, I'm going to ignore anything with the 0 because I know anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So we'll just ignore that. So what we've got here is 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 3 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 to the 0. So what this simplifies out to is 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. And if we add that together, we get 27. So 11011 is equal to 27. All right, so 11011 and binary is 27 in decimal. All right, guys, I'm going to give you one more example, and then you'll move on to the rest of your problems yourself. So this next example is a bit of a bigger one, to give you a little bit more of a challenge. The next example that we're going to use is 110011. Okay, so pause the video, give that one a shot, and then we'll come back and do it together. All right, so I hope you guys tried that one. You got that one going. I hope you did a good job. So what we're going to do, just like the other ones, I'm going to write this a little bit farther apart just to make it easier for me. So that is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to 4, 2 to the 5, and 2 to the 6, okay? So we can ignore the ones that are 0. So this is 2 to the 6 plus 2 to 5 plus 2 to 1 plus 2 to 0, okay? So we simplify that out. We will get 64 plus 32 plus 2 plus 1. We add that together and we get 99, okay? So the binary number 11000011 is equal to 99 in decimal, okay? All right, so now that you've got that done, you're going to go and do your problems on your own.